Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to get the NordVPN 3-year deal. First, open your browser and go to NordVPN.com. Click on Pricing or Plans. Here you will see the subscription choices. At the moment, NordVPN does not sell a 3-year plan on its official website. The current options are monthly, 1 year, or 2 years. In the past, NordVPN did offer a 3-year deal, but it was removed. Some third-party sites may still promote a 3-year plan, but it is not recommended to buy from them. The safest option is always to subscribe directly through the official NordVPN website. If you do not find a working 3-year deal, the 2-year plan is the best long-term option. It gives you the lowest price per month. To sign up, choose the 2-year plan. Click the Get button and select the tier you prefer, such as Standard, Plus, or Complete. Enter your email, pick a payment method, and confirm your purchase. Then download the NordVPN app on your devices and log in with your new account. NordVPN also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can cancel for a full refund if you are not satisfied. So in short, the 3-year deal is no longer available on NordVPN's site. You might see it on other websites, but it is safer to stay with the 2-year plan directly from NordVPN. Thanks for watching.